Hello! As your expert technical instructor, I am excited to guide you through designing and implementing DevOps dashboards. We will focus on measuring the flow of work, cycle times, lead time, and time to recovery. As organizations explore the DevOps journey, measuring transformation success becomes critical. Dashboards act as the vital control center, providing teams with real-time visibility into their delivery pipelines. By capturing objective data, we move away from subjective estimations and can pinpoint exact bottlenecks in our flow of work. Implementing a robust instrumentation strategy ensures we are collecting the correct metrics to drive data-driven continuous improvement. This CLI command provisions a new dashboard specifically for the back-end team to begin tracking their engineering flow metrics. This diagram illustrates how raw data telemetry from DevOps pipelines is aggregated and finally visualized on an accessible dashboard. Lead time is a fundamental metric in agile planning. It measures the total time elapsed from the moment a customer request or work item is created until that feature is successfully running in production and delivering value. By tracking lead time on Azure Board's dashboards, transformation teams can identify delays in requirements gathering, prioritization, and planning. Reducing lead time is synonymous with increasing the organization's responsiveness to market demands. This WIQL work item query language snippet fetches work items created in the last 30 days, serving as raw data to calculate average lead times. Lead time spans this entire workflow, from the creation of the idea through prioritization and development, right up to the final deployment. While lead time covers the entire lifecycle, cycle time specifically measures the time taken to complete the actual work. It starts when a developer moves a task into in progress and ends when the code is merged and deployed. By examining cycle times on your dashboard, you can precisely measure development velocity and spot inefficiencies, such as pull requests languishing in review or slow automated testing phases that stall continuous integration. Executing a query for done items allows analytical tools to calculate the delta between the in-progress timestamp and the done timestamp to find cycle time. Cycle time is isolated to the execution phase, starting when the task is picked up, running through coding and review, and stopping when completed. Mean time to recovery, or MTTR, is a critical operational metric representing how quickly a team can restore service after a failure. Tracking MTTR on your dashboard requires integrating availability tests and incident management data. A low MTTR indicates a highly resilient architecture and an efficient incident response process. Practices like blue-green deployments and automated rollbacks are key strategies for drastically reducing your time to recovery. This CLI command configures an Azure Monitor alert that acts as an early warning system, helping teams begin recovery procedures immediately to reduce MTTR. This sequence shows the recovery timeline, from incident detection and alerting, through root cause analysis, to final service restoration. To effectively visualize the flow of work, teams utilize cumulative flow diagrams, or CFDs, on their Azure Board's dashboards. A CFD provides a graphical representation of work items across various states over time. It makes it incredibly easy to see if work in progress limits are being respected, or if a massive queue is building up in the testing or code review phases. Managing these queues is essential for stabilizing both cycle times and lead times. While not code-based, cumulative flow diagrams are seamlessly integrated into Azure Board's analytics, configured visually by project administrators. A CFD tracks the volume of items in each of these columns over time, exposing where the flow of work is getting blocked. Implementing these metrics requires customizing project views and utilizing specialized dashboard widgets. Azure DevOps allows you to embed query-based widgets that display burn-down charts, lead time, and cycle time directly on the team's homepage. Furthermore, combining agile metrics with pipeline success rates and deployment frequency creates a holistic, single pane of glass view that bridges the gap between project planning and technical execution. This command programmatically adds a cycle time visualization widget to a specified Azure DevOps dashboard to track team velocity. This diagram illustrates how custom queries feed into the widget engine to render real-time graphical representations of cycle and lead times. By deeply analyzing metrics from instrumentation, transformation teams can define shared goals and set precise timelines for improvement. A well-designed dashboard transforms abstract concepts into actionable insights, driving a cultural shift toward data-driven DevOps excellence. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, training, and interview guides. Azure DevOps Analytics allows teams to run advanced OData queries to extract deep insights into their development lifecycle performance. The continuous improvement cycle, viewing the dashboard to identify a bottleneck, adjusting the team process, and measuring the resulting flow improvements.
Welcome to quicktechie.com. So just type in quicktechie.com here. Then you can go through the material which is provided by Quicktechie. So we have first of all video courses which you can go here and you can find the various video courses across the technologies as well as finance domain. So if you see in Microsoft, we have 8 programs currently running. Next, you can go through the ebooks available. So all the ebooks which are in PDF format today, and you can download this. So let me go through Microsoft certification ebooks. You can click on any of this and you can see this is the PDF available for you to download. So these are the premium ebook mostly available on quicktechie.com platform only. Now the second part is exam simulator. As we primarily focus on the all technology companies and finance domain certification preparation material, so this is company wide listed here and you can go through this. So let me go through the Microsoft one again. You can see these are all Microsoft related certification. AB 730 exam, if you open it, so you can see here this, and all the practice papers are available here. Today we have a 5 practice paper. So click on the first practice paper. It would load the questions. You can answer this question. This is way you can answer it and you can move to the next question. Now the third material we wanted to highlight is an audiobook. So we started recently with the audiobooks as well, which you can listen on the go, and various technology wise ebooks are available. And at the last, this is our alumni. These people who are subscribing to our courses and this platform, they are all listed here. And at the end, I wanted to tell you, if you find any course or training or certification preparation material which you want to get us prepare for yourself, please put on the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, on Udemy, or on this platform itself, quicktechie.com, then please put the comment, or you can even send an email to using this contact us options here. You can directly do the WhatsApp message. You can call us on this numbers as well.